Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia here, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. I want to walk into this mobile home real quick and I want to show you a couple things. But what's important is about what I'm about to show you is how we fund, how we pay for our investment, because that's very important. So already immediately as I'm going into the mobile home, deck, okay, deck. Now, if you know the prices of lumber, you know they are skyrocketing. They go up and down, but you know, it's part of the investing side. So I want to show you real quick, just a quick little tour. So, distress level, this is what we call the good investment. Why? Because it needs a lot of the work, a lot of the rehab. If it was move-in ready, if it was livable and presentable, it would not be a deal for us. That's what we do. So walking in, you can't see some of the flooring here. It's already damaged. So soft on there, okay? Again, very common as to what we look at when we come in and say, yes, this is a good deal. Numbers check out. Everything is there for us to make a good profit. Once we rehab it, make it livable, presentable, and put it out on the market, okay? 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single one. Now, for the mobile home in itself, I paid right around $2,500 for it. And as you can see, we're going to have to put a few thousand on top of it to be able to make it livable and presentable. All right. Now, why am I showing you all this here? You know, you've heard about hard money, private money lenders. They're all great. Borrow from your aunt, your uncle, put some money together, save some money is what it is. You know, make the investment, make the transaction go through, and make the investment, make that ROI. But what a lot of people don't know is that you can use credit cards to pay for all the investment. 100%. Yes, credit cards. Now, despite of what you learned growing up, what people say, hey, don't use your credit. Don't use over 50% of your credit. It's going to give you a bad credit score. It's going to this. It's going to give you that. Wrong. I'm going to teach you a different method to that. I'm going to teach you how to also build credit worthiness, increase your credit limit. The goal is to get you so many credit cards that you walk around with $1 million in your pocket of credit. That's what you need. How many things do you think you can buy? Now, how do you invest 100% on a mobile home using credit cards? If I buy a mobile home from somebody, an individual, they don't have a place for me to swipe a credit card. So how can I use my credit card to pay them? There's different systems out there. There's different systems where you can set up your credit card where you can actually pull cash. And I'm not talking about the cash advance that the credit card gives you. There are methods where you can actually pay yourself and pull that cash out. How do you pay for a material? You can call a local home improvement store. They can call you, do a phone sale, pay with a credit card. What about the contractors? They also don't take credit. That's plenty fine. We do the same transactions. So look, what I've done is I set one day, January 18, 2023, where I'm going to spend one whole hour teaching you step-by-step how to set up your credit cards. And now some of you are wondering, well, I don't have any credit cards because I have low or poor credit. We're going to teach you a method to that as well. We're going to get you credit cards today. The goal is that you do not slow down to another investment because I don't have the money. That's not an excuse anymore. It is not an excuse because there's too many ways out there to be able to use other people's money. And that's how essentially you become successful. You become wealthy. You stop taking money out of your pocket, even if you have money, and start using other people's money. Because I assure you, the return on your investments that mobile homes gives you is a lot higher than what you're going to be paying credit cards company. So join us January 18th. Click the link below. I hope to see you all there. This is a Zoom virtual you cannot afford to miss. Thank you for watching.